Hi and welcome to this video on DaVinci Resolve. Now I have a previous video showing how to filter your media inside your bins to which ones are being used and which ones have not been used, because that's particularly useful if you have a whole load of media clips inside your bin, like this for example here. You can normally find out the usage just by seeing this little red line underneath it. But if you've got not great eyesight like me, you can find it quite difficult to see it on the sort of this screen. In DaVinci Resolve, you have the ability to filter the clips by usage, and you can just filter out all the ones that have been used and just leave the ones that haven't been used. So for example, we've got this one used here, but the ones down at the bottom here hasn't been used. So how can I quickly do that? Well, in DaVinci Resolve 21, they've changed the way you can do this very slightly. So this is a bit of an updated video on a previous video I've made. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is you need to click on the magnifying glass at the top here to enable the search mode. Click on that. And this is the thing that's addition to what we need to do in DaVinci Resolve 21. Is you need to click on the arrow right at the top over here, the drop down arrow or the icon next to it, doesn't really matter. You'll get to this mini menu. You need to make sure you select the metadata search like this. That's then going to search for, obviously, the metadata. Now, how do we search for the metadata? Well, we need to then click where it says filter by or fields. Click on that. We're looking for usage. So what you can do is you can just go to the very first one and type the letter U, which takes you to usage. And now what you can do is you can simply press 0, and it's going to remove all the ones that's been used and then just leave you the ones that haven't been used. You'll find that as you bring these into the timeline, let's say for example we drag this guy into the timeline here, it's going to stay in that particular bin at the moment, but if you wanted to update, you can simply click on one of the other bins, like say this one here, then pop back, and then that clip has now disappeared from that particular bin. And you can, as you keep on dragging these guys in, as you come back, then the clip has now disappeared. And you could of course do it in reverse. If you wanted to find out the ones that have been used, you can change this from 0 to 1. Then you get all the clips have been used in your bin. If you want to show them more, of course, you can just remove the search here. This is going to show you all the results, whether they've been used or not. I hope that's useful, guys. And of course, I will see you soon on another video on DaVinci Resolve.